nice. Mail is here. See what we got here. Oh. Alimony, child support, alimony, child support, alimony, alimony, alimony. Request to increase amount on alimony, 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 child support. What the hell is this shit? I didn't order anything this big. Oh my gosh. What is this? Let's check this out. Okay folks, if this is what I think it is, I am super excited to showcase this product for you because I think it is going to solve a few of my problems that I've been having in my GX460 as far as storage area goes, because we all know that we do have some form of storage in our vehicle, but I don't like some of my stuff to be seen or to be visible, or at least to be obviously visible to other people or people passing by my truck and looking through the windows. I want a storage area where it's going to be known to me, but at the same time easy to reach and easy to access by the driver only. So this is a product that I came across, and it is pretty badass when I read up on it. Wow, look at this. Hey friend, thank you for your choice. Oh, okay, and let's tear into this. Look at this, guys. Woo! Look at this. Nice black powder coated front seat, under seat storage compartment, and I think this is gonna do well, maybe to hold my handgun. And I also can attach quite a few other things. You can want to attach flashlights. You want to attach your vehicle fire extinguisher right on here. Also, this is complete MOLLE right here, man. It comes with Allen wrenches, Allen keys right here for you guys to do your install. We're not going to need that, obviously. We're going to unwrap here and see what this is all about. I think this is the brackets that come with it. Okay. These are definitely the under seat brackets that you're going to attach to your front mounts for your driver's seat. It also comes with, look at this, hex bolts, high quality hex bolts. This looks black powder coated. It looks very strong. Look at all this, man. These are the brackets that comes with it. And I just want to let you guys take a closer look at this front seat storage. Look at that, huh? Look at behind here. This right here, these two compartments, you can actually detach and just have this bracket right here. And if you just have this bracket right here, you can attach a lot more stuff and have this more inset underneath your legs instead of sticking out a little. Even though this sticks out for about maybe 2 inches, I don't think it's going to interfere with your legs or your feet, because no normal person is going to have their legs and their feet all up against the driver's seat close to you. We're all going to have our legs out there where the brake pedals are and out there where the gas pedal is. So let's try this out. Let's install this. Again, this is a MOLLE tactical storage organizer. They said it's compatible with the GX460, compatible with Toyota Tacoma, Forerunner, FJ Cruiser. Okay, so MOLLE. I know you guys keep hearing me say MOLLE. What does MOLLE stand for? Well, if you guys don't know, if you guys Google it, MOLLE, it's not spelled M-O-L-L-Y, like that girl you banged in college and then her brother found out and went and looking for you and tried to kick your ass, but then you were long gone by then. This is MOLLE, M-O-L-L-E. It stands for Middle Class Overweight Lesbian Lovers Eating. Eating what, you might ask? Each other, idiots. Eating each other. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. Before we even get started on our installation, I just wanted to show you, I did remove the plastic wrap a little bit more, and we did come up with two different tools that they provided us. One is an Allen, okay, wrench, and the other one is a backup socket right there. You see that hex right there? And why do we need this? So along here, we got hex nuts right there. You could use this as backup, or you can use this to break it apart, and the other side you could use it right here for your Allen keys and your Allen bolts on that side. It is used to take this apart or put it into any type of configuration you want. You can actually only use one storage, and you can leave this storage off and have this one a little more inset closer to you, so you can attach a handgun or attach anything else where you don't want it to be totally out of the way. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started, and I can show you the installation of both of these storage organizers. Remember, this is made out of metal, okay? It's not plastic, guys. Very good quality, very sturdy, and I believe it's black powder coated. The first thing you guys are gonna wanna do whenever you're gonna work underneath your seats or anywhere down here, you're gonna wanna take off your floor mats. It just makes life easier, and plus, we don't know how low we're gonna need to go, because the walls of my floor mat, these last fits, are pretty high, and that's what I like about them. After we remove them, we're gonna go ahead and place our MOLLE organizer down here with all of its brackets and all of its bolts. Next, guys, you're gonna wanna get a door trim tool or any type of tool, or if your brackets are loose because you've removed them so many times, you could use your hands also. I would just put my fingers underneath here, and just unclip it. After you unclip it, pull it forward. The reason why we're pulling it forward, because it has these inserts right here that slides inside the rest of our plastic assembly here, okay? So we're gonna set this aside. You're gonna wanna do the exact same thing to the passenger side over here, the one closest to the passenger side. We're gonna take our door trim tool, and we're gonna go underneath, and we are going to lift it up from down here, and it should pop off the clips. Take your fingers underneath here, pop off the rest, and pull it forward. I want you to get a 14mm socket and go ahead and remove the two front bolts off of your front rails here. Okay, set these 14mm bolts aside. Next, folks, we're going to take our MOLLE organizer right here. We're going to take our baskets right here, and we're going to face it towards us, okay? So the rear of the basket is going to be facing the camera. We're going to take our brackets right here. The brackets are threaded right here, so you're not going to need a nut behind here. You're going to take these brackets just the way it is right here, and you're going to place it behind the already installed bracket on the MOLLE organizer. You're going to take this Allen bolt right here. You're going to put it on the front side. Screw it in. You're going to take the other hex bolt right here and put it on the front side and thread them in. Remember, the bracket goes behind the MOLLE organizer, so it is going to end up looking like this, okay? So I don't want you guys to go ahead and tighten this yet, because we're going to need some play right here in order to screw in the bolts that's going to mount our seats, okay? So we're going to leave it a little loose, tighten it in by hand all the way, but enough where this can slide back and forth a little bit. There you go. And now we're going to do the same thing to the other side. We're going to go to the other side right here. We're going to mount this bracket right behind. We're going to take the hex nut and go from the front of the MOLLE organizer. Put in both hex nuts. So when you guys got this portion down, when you guys got both brackets in, remember, have your Torx bit or your Allen bit ready to go inside the vehicle, because you are going to attach this to your front seat mounts right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this to the vehicle. This is how it looks from the side. Okay, here's the front, and the bracket should be angled up at a 45 degrees right here, going towards the driver. Now what I want you guys to do is go ahead and take these brackets right here and line it up with the mounting holes for your seat brackets, okay? And you're gonna take your original OEM bolt and you're gonna start screwing it in by hand, okay? You're gonna do the same thing for the other side, screw it in by hand, going through the holes. Make sure you guys got a good 5 or more threads in there. You don't wanna strip this. Okay, I already got enough threads in there. I am going to go ahead and tighten this down. For this, I'm going to have to use a 2-inch extension. Okay, now that you guys got your bolts in, we're not quite done with the bolts yet, guys. Okay, we're going to end up torquing them afterwards, but we're going to go ahead and tie in our hex bolts coming from the front here. Go ahead and tighten them. Same thing with the passenger side. Next, you're going to want to grab your torque wrench, attach a 2-inch extension and a 14mm bolt, and torque it to 27 foot-pounds. Okay, the other side. Obviously, we're not going to be able to use these plastic covers anymore. Okay, so we're going to have to save this somewhere, put it inside of our garage. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out. I'm going to go ahead and move the seats to exactly where I normally have it set. And right here, this is it. So here's the storage compartment right here. Plenty of space to put anything. If you do decide to put a fire extinguisher attachment right here, I'm pretty sure it's going to be a small bottle. It's going to be about right here, still out of the way. You could put the handle towards the passenger side so it doesn't grab onto your pants or anything when you go in and out of the vehicle. But let's go ahead and set some stuff in here that I might be interested in setting. Store my magazines down here. I got 2 clips right there that fits nicely, or look at that, guys. A lot of people would prefer to put into a holster and tie the holster onto the MOLLE bracket itself, or you could do it, have easier access without the holster and just keep your gun just like this. Let's get a closer up view. Definitely a good place to hold your wallet, your cell phone, or anything else you don't want to carry into a guest's house or into a store. You can leave it in your vehicle in hidden sight. I'm also patenting this idea where you can actually record upskirts to any female families borrowing your vehicle. This is what it looks like with your floor mats in. It covers a lot of the metal parts that's underneath the MOLLE. There you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That MOLLE tactical storage organizer is heavy duty steel, and it's black powder coated. It's very good quality steel. It's very sturdy. You already saw how to install it. It's super easy to install. Only 2 bolts to have it installed into the vehicle itself, but a total of 4 hex bolts to actually add the brackets onto the organizers. So if you guys like this product, you guys can go ahead and hit on the link below my video. I made it easier for you guys to just go ahead and purchase it right below my video instead of going searching for it on Amazon. Okay, they do have a 30-day money-back guarantee from Amazon, so rest assured that you will either like it or you don't and still get your money back. And I am going to go ahead and sign out right now. I'm going to go ahead and go buy a fire extinguisher and attach it to this organizer, and probably put, like, I don't know, some hand sanitizers in there or something. What I'm not going to do is just put a gun right there. I don't know about you guys in Texas where you guys just leave your guns in your vehicles, but in California, I don't know. I don't know. I'm not going to place a gun right there. There's other places I'm going to place a gun, but not right there, because my kids do sit in my vehicle and stuff like that. So you can never always be too careful. So better safe than sorry, right? I've seen some people actually add gun holsters on there, maybe a mini safe, and screw the mini safe on there with fingerprints to open up that safe. I don't know. The options are endless with this MOLLE storage organizer. Peace out, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and click on the link below to purchase it. Bye, guys.